Hello everyone, just making a small clip of this late fall thunderstorm passing through the upper west side of Manhattan. We got some rain going right now, heavy rain blowing sideways, strong winds, very strong winds. Stuff is falling all over the place downstairs. Sidewalk awnings and such. These winds are supposed to be with us for the next couple of days. The storms should be passing over in the next half hour, 45 minutes. So just wanted to make this quick clip and show you the conditions. Leaves are falling off the trees and such. Heavy rain blowing sideways. I don't know what's falling down there. Rain's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be, but the winds are certainly picking up. Here they come. Those flags are sure whipping up there. Wizard of Oz. Look at the trees bend. Alright, I'm going to continue to monitor it. These winds are going to be very, very destructive. So we'll see what pops off later on. Especially if they continue for several days. Wow, heavy gusts of wind, probably 30-40 miles an hour at least. Not sustained, but heavy gusts coming through. Alright, I'm gonna monitor and keep you guys posted. Look at it. Alright, 2 and 2. We'll see you on the other side, man. I want to blow out the window.